Good morning, my name's David Varson, founder of EC, Brand Management System, and welcome. Hopefully by now you would have been to our site and completed sign up. You would have picked one of these do-it-yourself plans, and this video is about showing you how to configure your account once you have signed up. If you've in fact signed up for the full service, then we will do all of that for you and you don't need to be concerned about this video. So let's jump into the app. And you'll notice that I've signed in as Bilbo Baggins, who is the owner of this demo account. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to configure this account so that it matches your brand and obviously is suitable for sending and inviting users to, your brand users that is. So the first thing we're going to do, once we've signed in, we're going to view the welcome page and we're going to click on the account link, which is at the top of the screen, and that's only visible to the account owner, not to other users or other brand managers. And then we're going to scroll down and look at the look and feel section, and we're going to make some edits to that. Just for now though, when you signed up you would have completed some of this information for your account, including the account name, the URL of the account, web alias, which is some advanced settings for creating sub-brands or subdomains on your primary domain name. Or perhaps you would want to register a completely new domain name for this to access this library. Contact information for the legal company name and the email address for invoices, and this is at the moment set up to EC obviously for this demo account, and we can set the country. This is not quite right, so I'm going to set this to New Zealand, which is where I am, and this is information about it's contact information really. You can also set up a standard copyright statement, so we're going to use the end copy HTML equivalent, and we're going to say EC International Limited, and we're going to add all rights reserved. But obviously you will have your own copyright statement that you want to use, and that's really up to you. I'm going to save that. Notice that I've agreed to the terms. And so once we're happy with that, the plan you've obviously selected, we can view reports from here, and we're going to have a look now at the look and feel. So let's click on look and feel, and here we can see some options. So the first thing we want to do is we want to change this account title to something suitable. That could be, you know, your brand name and the word brand library, whatever you're going to use. So if I was Acme, I'd go Acme brand library, say. Could equally be Acme brand channel, brand center. It's really up to you. Let's call it brand library for now. Save each one of these changes as you go, and you can see that it's changed here. Now the other thing we want to do is, obviously the EC lime, yellow lime, is not really the color I want for my brand library. So I'm going to change this to just a standard white or black, and then I can upload a logo to replace that. So let's just go for white for now and hit save, and you'll see that the template has changed to white, and then we can go ahead and upload a logo. So I'm going to go ahead and find a logo on my desktop, and let's just say EC on white. I'm going to choose that and upload. And now we can see we have our logo sitting in the template skin. If we jump back to welcome quickly, we can see that now the site is now starting to look like something we might want. And let's jump back, and we're back in the account section, and we're going to edit and look and feel. Now the other thing we want to do is we want to replace this content with our own content. So I'm going to just I'll just copy that and we'll paste it over in here. Whoops. Now there's two sections here. One is for logged in users, logged out users, and this is for logged in users. So we can have different content for each of those areas. So we're going to leave the logged out as it was. If we actually remove this content will be used for both states. But for now what we're going to do is we want to test creating our own content for the homepage in the logged in state. So we can do that by just saying welcome to the let's say to the demo brand library. And obviously, if I was doing this for real, that would be EC brand library. You will add your own brand in there, I guess. And then we might want to say something like, at the site, you can download brand artwork and images, etc. Whatever you want to say in there. You might want to say you will need permission. Now this is just plain text, so if I go ahead and save that, you'll see, if we go back to welcome, that there's our content. Now it's not formatted really, so what we can is we can format that in different ways, but you do need to know a bit of HTML. So either you might have a friend who knows HTML, you may know it yourself, in which case you can just add things like title tags. We obviously want to wrap paragraphs in the p tag, which is the HTML tag for paragraph, and we'll do it for this one as well. Now we do have some standard code that you can paste in here with a variety of different welcome page layouts. So if you consult the help where you've seen this video, there's a link there to code samples which you can use. Anyway, let's just go ahead and save that and go back to the welcome page, and then we can see there's our formatted content. Oh, we have a typo in there, so let's just jump back. So again, we can hit the back button, or we can go back to account, look and feel. We'll go down to the logged in section, and that typo is there, and hit save. We go back to welcome and we can see that it's changed. Now if I log out here, I'm going to see the other version, the other content for the different state. So if we go back, if we wanted to have this content in both states, we can just copy and paste this into this panel, and then we'll have that change. So there you have it. That's basically how you would skin up your site to look the way you want it to look. We'll just jump back. You can change this to say black, and we get a different, obviously this logo then, which is here, we would remove and add a reversed version of this logo to suit the black background. We can also go for a black alternative option. Same thing, we'd have to swap that logo out. If we do remove the logo, by the way, you'll get the name, the account title back into this location. But ideally a logo is going to make it look better. And the last alternative is a custom style. Now custom style is something that we need to do for you, and there's a charge to do that. So out of the box you get basic black and white. If you want something with custom colors, custom link colors, more imagery, something that looks more like your primary website, then we, as I said, we can do that for you, but there is a charge for that service of about $300. So if you'd like that, you can check out some of the other clients of ours that have those sites. In fact, most of them do. And if you're interested in that, you can contact us and we'll discuss what you need, provide a fixed price, and take it from there. So there you have it. That's how you customize your interface and your welcome page. Obviously, you then need to create folders for your assets. You can do that in your folders, add a new folder. You can move these folders around, and then you can go and upload and create assets through the upload files link here. Okay, thanks for that, and any more questions, please contact us. We'll be more than happy to help.